Here's how to get verified on Instagram. Before applying for verification, make sure your account meets the requirements. According to Instagram, your account should be authentic, meaning it must represent a real person or business. Unique, in that there will be only one verified account under your name or brand. Notable, your account should represent a person or brand that is well-known, highly searched, and featured in multiple news sources. And lastly, complete, which means your account must have a bio, profile picture, at least one post, and be public. To set your account as public, open up Instagram and tap on the profile button. Tap on the menu bar, settings, privacy, account privacy, and make sure private account is toggled off. If you satisfy all the requirements, you can start applying for verification. From your settings, tap on Account, and then Request Verification. Enter in your full name, what you're known as if you go by another name for your brand, and select a category that best describes your account. Lastly, attach a photo of an official document to verify your identity. This can be a driver's license, passport, or a recent utility bill. When you're ready, tap on Send. It can take up to a month for Instagram to review your application. If it gets denied, you can reapply 30 days after the initial request. Did you find this video helpful? Comment below and let us know. Or if you have any alternative methods, share them in the comments.